how to review posts and comments you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review posts and comments you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find activity log, and now click activity you're tagged in, and then just click posts and comments you're tagged in, and as you see here you can manage it, and that's how to manage it on Facebook Lite. And that's it, it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.